Welcome to Take That Job Crash Course, which is full of resources, gonna be broken down into 9 parts to help you land your dream job. Let's get into the course outline. First, we have setting up your LinkedIn profile, writing an attractive LinkedIn bio, networking through LinkedIn, and resume writing tips. And then we have job searching through LinkedIn, STAR interview technique, interview etiquettes, question to ask the interviewer, and handling rejections. And also make sure to complete all the assignments that come with the lessons. While you're doing so, please join the Slack channel and email careers@soroncoacademy.com to join Slack. We'll send you an invite. Ask any questions you have in the Slack channel under Take That Job Crash Course channel. So let's begin.